Install new Prism. Unscrew the star-shaped screws at the bottom of the reader by using the screwdriver provided. Remove the steel back plate. Unscrew the back casing of the reader and open it. Unplug the FlexiFlat cable from the sensor module. You may find there is a plastic holder holding the sensor module. There are 4 screws on the plastic holder. Unscrew all of them to get the sensor module. Remove the plastic holder holding the sensor module. You have to unscrew the 2 tiny screws at the back of the sensor module. Remove the LED indicator carefully from the sensor module. Now push the sensor prism out from the module using your thumb. Install the new prism with coating to the module. Put it properly in the module and press using your thumb. Make sure the prism is fit and not falling out. Install the LED indicator and tighten the screw. When you are connecting the FlexiFlat cable to the sensor module, make sure the side with the blue strips is facing down the sensor module. Place the sensor module to its position. Cover it with a sensor module casing and tighten the 4 screws back. Cover with the back plate and tighten the screw. Cover with a steel back plate and tighten the screw. Now switch on the reader to test.